Well, good Tuesday morning to Colorado. We are waking up to dark, dry conditions here across the metro area as we give you a live look from our Lookout Mountain camera. Different story over portions of the state where moisture is streaming in over southwestern Colorado, snow over higher terrain for portions of our central and southern mountains. Some wet roadways right now on I-70, but more widespread precipitation will roll into the mountains this afternoon. Winter weather advisories remain in place until at least midday Wednesday for many of our mountain towns. As we get into today as well, very gusty winds over the eastern plains. Castle Rock out to the border. A fire weather warning in effect until 6 p.m. tonight. Not in effect just yet, but we're bracing for some much colder air. A freeze watch will be in place Wednesday night through Thursday morning with some bitter cold temperatures ahead. But this morning it's very mild if you're getting ready to step out the door. 50s downtown Denver into Broomfield and out to the airport. 40s for Fort Collins and Greeley, mainly 20s and 30s into the high country, some low 40s as you can see from Steamboat to Aspen. So at the valley level this morning at least, it'll be that rain and then snow up high in the high country. Winds will be very gusty later on today. This morning relatively calm, at least in Denver down through Colorado Springs, but they'll pick up steam from the south-southwest when gusts could reach over 40 miles per hour at times over the eastern plains, which is why that fire weather warning will be in effect. Your metro area planner will be a whole lot cooler. Yesterday, we tied the record of 82 at a DIA, closer to seasonal normals, mid to upper 60s downtown to Parker and Castle Rock, mainly 30s and 40s over our high country towns with off and on shower activity. So let me take you through the timing of it all. There's that precipitation becoming more widespread over the western slope, turning over to snow at higher terrain, especially above 9,000 feet for this afternoon. So if you do have any travel to, from, and around the mountains, be prepared for winter driving conditions. Dry across the eastern plains, could see a light shower or two, but early tomorrow morning we'll wake up with temperatures in the low 30s. And if some of that moisture streams in, we are expecting a rain-snow mix off and on through the day here across the Denver area and eastern plains. So not a lot of moisture expected. Could see a light rain snow mix as mentioned over the urban corridor and east. Most of the moisture in the mountains with accumulating snow for a lot of our higher terrain. Taking us through our extended future cast, there's that rain and snow mix coming in by Wednesday, much colder air into Thursday morning, and then it's going to warm up and dry out across the state for Halloween and into the weekend. Looking at our Super 7-day forecast, chilly tomorrow. Daytime highs only in the mid 40s, off and on showers. Thursday clearing and cool for Halloween, and then 60s return Friday and Saturday, Jason.